Okay guys, last time we started with depreciation, yes? Right? And also, I think I didn't give you even though we did the question on the worked example, I didn't give you the depreciation rate formula, didn't I? Did I?
You did.
Huh? I didn't give it to you. Yep. Please take down first of all.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, two. Please pass this. Okay guys, do you remember how we calculated last time the depreciation rate? Yes. Depreciation rate equal sign annual depreciation expense. Right? Over historical cost. Times by 100. Hold on. I have given it to you. Yep. Rate of depreciation. No, sorry. I'm sorry. This one is wrong. I have given it to you. Sorry. How do we calculate, guys, the depreciation expense using the rate? Depreciation expense. Right, that's pretty simple. What do you do? Historical cost times by the depreciation rate. So this is for the annual depreciation expense, right? This is for the annual depreciation expense. If you wanted to calculate, let's say, less than a year, yeah, you have to calculate it proportionately. Yep. Annual depreciation expense for the year is equal to historical cost times by the depreciation rate. Right. Also, guys, for the worked example, can you please calculate the depreciation expense for this one? How much did you get? Yep, 1500. Yes. So what do we do, guys? Annual depreciation expense is equal to, oh, thank you. Annual depreciation is equal to, what is it? Historical cost times by the depreciation rate. How much is it? 8,000 times by 18.75%, yes, which is 1500.
You divide the rate by 100 to get its decimal value.
Yes, so basically 18.75 over 100 times by 8,000. Yep. Okay, next one. Show the impact of the above depreciation expense of shop fittings in the accounting equation, right? Okay, that of course, what would happen with the depreciation expense, guys? Right, first of all, right, assets. Do you think something happens to asset?
Yeah.
What will happen to the assets?
Won't it just decrease by how much it depreciates?
Depreciated, yes, very good. So then we'll write here, take down assets, right? Assets actually decrease. But this is the format that you have to write, okay? Increase accumulated depreciation. I will explain you what this is. By 1500. Liability, no effect. Right, do we still have to write it? Yes. Huh? Then the other one is owner's equity. What happens, guys? Decrease, yes. Why? Basically, increase in depreciation expense decreases net profit. Close brackets, still the same amount. All right. Now, Any questions up to now, guys? Up to this part? No? Everyone is okay? Right. Let's go to the next one, depreciable value, guys. Hold on. Before that, can you do any question? Yep, we can do question number 1. If you are not sure about the part A, just leave it. I'll give you the answer. read the question? What? I give it to you purposefully. I say mistake. I know he has taken a different one. Yeah, this is wrong. Wrong. This is wrong. But it's good. Yeah. Only one student has taken it correctly. See? Only the girls read it well, yes? Boys don't read. That's exactly correct. You need to have attention to detail, yes? Not only in studies, and after your studies you go into work. So you need attention to details, yes? Good. Hundred is on the top. Look at the activity. Is that how you took it down? Yeah, this is not how I wrote. See. Right, 100 guys. When you calculate the rate of depreciation, it's not on the denominator, yes. It's for the numerator, yes. To convert, what is the meaning? What is the point? To convert it to a percentage, yes, you times it by 100. What's your percentage? 10%?
Yeah.
Okay, shall we do it, guys? Right. Firstly, I'll give you the note for the first question, because I didn't give it to you in the theory, right? Please take down. What do you think the assumption is? Yes? Relevance? Is relevance an assumption? Accrual? Going concern? Don't know.
It's either period or going. In accrual or going concern.
Accrual or going concern?
That's what
Yeah. Yeah, actually, accrual is correct, but period is more correct. Okay? But both of them are correct. In the exam, you will get for both of them correct, period and accrual, but not going concern, okay? Not going concern. Going concern is wrong. Sorry? I would write period. Okay? It's still accrual also, same thing.
What would you write for?
Accrual is to make sure that we calculate the profit accurately, and then we identify the expenses incurred in terms of the value of the non-current asset that was incurred during the period of, during the reporting period. Okay? But similar thing in the period assumption also, you know. Yeah, take down, guys. I'll give you in terms of period. Still you guys are confused with the assumptions and characteristics, yes? So you wrote on relevance. Okay. Okay, guys, I think part B, only problem was, what is it? You guys, all of you had taken, except one, 33,000, including GST. So we can't depreciate GST, can we? Right? So then be careful in reading. So what do you do, guys? Yes, you boys, what do you do? When you see the amount, wonderful. You start depreciating 33,000, yes? You don't read the other part, yes? You can't see, yes? The other part? Yep. This part you can't see. Right? Get used to read. Right? Get used to read books. Why? Because you guys are kind of addicted, maybe addicted, or you have a habit of watching, yes? Always on the screen, yes? Yeah, you have to read. Right? You must be able to read. Okay, at least for until you finish VC. After VC, I don't care. Right? Okay. Right. Then, what is the formula, guys? Historical? Tell me. Historical cost minus residual value over useful life, over the life, right? So then this one will give us the annual depreciation expense, right? Then which is 30,000 without GST minus 6,000 divided by 8. So we will get 3,000, yes? Right. Then the other one is depreciation rate is 3,000 divided by the 30,000 times by 100. So you get 10%. Right? So if you calculated the depreciation rate, then you can apply the rate and historical cost. Still you should be able to get 3,000. Yes? Yep. Okay. Then the other one is, guys, what is it? Part D. Discuss. Yeah, this one, before I give you the answer for that one, right, I will do some theory, because that part I have given you in the theory. This is a VC question actually. Part D is a VC question. Okay. Yeah, so that's what I have given here. Right? Discuss. Right, before that, guys, we'll do the depreciable value. Please take down. Depreciable value. The total value of the asset that will be consumed / incurred by the current entity, and so must be allocated as depreciation expense over its useful life. This can be calculated by historical cost less in the sense subtract, right, less residual value. Okay, you guys get the meaning of depreciable value? What is it, guys? Depreciable value in this question, what we just did. What's the depreciable value?
HC minus RV.
HC minus RV, which is 24,000. Yes. Yes, Sash, you okay? How much is it?
The HC minus RV.
Yes.
20,600.
Sorry, how much?
20,600.
20,000? No, not 20,000, yes?
30,000.
30,000. Is 30,000 minus 6,000, which is 24,000, yes? So 24,000 is the depreciable value. What do you mean by the depreciable value? Total value of a non-current asset that would be depreciated over its useful life, right? Right. So we purchased the what is it? That whatever it is, the non-current asset, shop fittings or van, shelving. Yep. So shelving, it has a total depreciable value of 24,000. So if the business use it for 8 years, right? That what they purchase at 30,000 and then they sell at 6,000, right? Then the total depreciation would be how much? 24,000. Yes, the total amount that would be depreciated within that entity, within that business will be 24,000. Okay.
What's accumulable depreciation?
Accumulated, yeah, I'll explain. Accumulated depreciation, yes. That's the next one, yes. Yeah. Okay. Accumulated depreciation. You know the meaning of accumulated? Adding it up, yes, yes, very good, wonderful. Right. Okay, let's write it, guys. Accumulated depreciation is the total value of a non-current asset that has been incurred or its useful or its life thus far, right? Okay. Now, yeah. So because you guys asked me accumulated depreciation, I'll explain it to you. Right. Accumulated depreciation means, now see that previous example is we purchase how much? I mean we purchase shelving for 30,000. Oh no, I will take this our work example. They purchase shop fittings for 8,000, right? When on 1st of July 24, right? Then by 30th June 25, how much would be the depreciation, guys? Yeah, by how much would it depreciate? 1,500, yes, 1,500, right? So its value will decrease by 1,500, right? Then, then let's say that is the depreciation what we did for the year ended 30th June 25. Okay, imagine we go to the next year, 30th June 26. Then what will happen? Then how much is the depreciation for that year? Same. How much? 1,500, yes. Which year I'm talking about? 1st July 25 to 30th June 26. Right? Basically the financial year that we are spending, yes, that we are in. Right? Yeah. So then still it will be 1,500. Then if I ask you what is the total, right? What was the total depreciation that we have done or that we have calculated or allocated up until 30th June 26? How much would it be?
3,000.
Sorry?
3,000.
3,000. Why? Because we did the depreciation ending 30th June 25. Because why? We purchased it on 1st July 24. Then 30th June 25, 1,500. 30th June 26, another 1,500. What's the total depreciation that we have done by 30th June 26? Is 1,500. Then what is it? Sorry, 3,000, not 1,500. Sorry, 1,500 times by 2, 3,000. Yes. So then total depreciation, what we have done by the year ending 30th June 26 will be 3,000. So what do you call it? 3,000. Accumulated depreciation. What do you mean by accumulated? Already you guys said. You're adding up, yes? Like, have you accumulated anything? Yes, we accumulate what?
Knowledge.
Knowledge are very good. What else? Money? You accumulate? Yeah. No? Yeah. You have to get to the habit of collecting money. Why?
Like having your revenues.
Yeah, that's fine. Whichever the money you get, try to save it rather than spending. That's right. Because you will be rich or poor not based on how much you earn, then by how much you save. Right? So you'll be educated not by how much you study, basically gain, how much you can retain, how much knowledge you can retain. Yes? Otherwise, let's say you study a lot of things and you don't remember anything, no point, yes? You don't have knowledge. So you must be able to retain it. Same thing with money, right? Okay, guys. Then accumulate money. What else? We accumulate books, right? So if boys, you might accumulate what? Games. Yes? Right? You guys play games? No, not me. Somebody else said. Okay, so that, sorry? Yeah, so like that, what do you do? Yeah, we accumulate this, right? So basically what do we do, guys? We keep on adding, right? We keep on adding, right? Make sure it is not lost, so we keep on adding, right? So that is what we call accumulate. Same thing here, accumulated depreciation. So if I ask you accumulated depreciation as of 30th June 25, how much is it? 1500, yes, just 1500. Why? Because we just depreciated for 1 year, that's it. If I ask you accumulated depreciation after 3 years,
Times by 4.
times by 3, which is 4500, yes. After 4 years,
6.
sorry, 6000, yes, right? 5 years, 7500. Then basically after 5 years, what will happen? So our total accumulated depreciation is 7500. Our historical cost is 8000. So what is remaining? 500, which is equal to residual value. So at the end, what will happen, guys? We will eventually end up with the residual value. Yes, that's it. Then when we reach the residual value, right? What do we call it? I mean, what is that scenario called? We have fully depreciated the asset. Then what would you do? Can you still use it? Yeah, if it is usable, I mean if it is in a condition that we can use it, yeah, you can use it. Let's say you can't still use it anymore, or you can sell it, right? So let's say still you can use it, can we depreciate it for the next year? No, zero depreciation, nothing, zero. Okay, yeah, basically that's the story. Okay, the other one, guys, right, accumulated depreciation you understood. Now next one we'll move into the,
In the balance sheet, right?
yeah,
So you prepare a balance sheet because for period assumption, you have to prepare it like every 1 year, right? Within a year.
yes, you are saying we have to prepare reports every year,
Yeah. The maximum.
maximum, at most, yes,
Yeah.
at most, you have to prepare it within a year, yes, correct.
Yeah, so you accumulate. Why is that accumulated depreciation in that case? Because like it's just gonna be the depreciating expense, right? Each year. So why is that accumulated depreciation?
Because what we do is for now every time period, let's say in the future we will do depreciate, even for other time periods, maybe monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, like that. Every time we depreciate, the depreciation expense part will be reported as an expense in the income statement. Yeah, same. However, every year or every time, what will happen? It will add up to the accumulated, right? And then accumulated depreciation is increasing, right? So accumulated depreciation is your question is regarding the accumulated.
Yeah.
Yeah. So accumulated means whichever the period, regardless of the period or which period it is, if we have depreciated, we will add it onto the accumulated depreciation. So accumulated depreciation represents the total amount of the depreciation that we have done so far in the asset's life.
And how does it look like on the balance sheet?
Yeah, that I'll show you. Okay. All right, guys. Please take down next subtopic, carrying value. Right? Is the value of a non-current asset that is yet to be consumed / allocated as an expense plus any residual value. Right. Carrying value, even though I gave you a big definition, it is pretty simple, guys, don't worry. Carrying value, if I give you a formula, historical cost this one is minus sign, minus, what is it?
Accumulated.
Yes. Accumulated depreciation. Right. Now what is it, guys? Carrying value? Carrying value. Okay, now I will write it. Now how much is the shop fittings? I have made a mistake. This shouldn't have, I mean, not me probably. Yeah. Yeah. So this one is, please cross this one, guys. As at 30th June, cross this 25. Please write 25 here. Next one, 26, 27, 28, and 29. Right. Okay. Now what are we going to do, guys? Now see, this is also a work example. Show the impact of depreciation of shop fittings in successive balance sheets. Balance sheet extract as at 30th June, starting from 25 and ending 29. Okay, we'll see. How much is the value of the shop fittings, guys, in 25? Shop fittings value is 8,000. Very good. 8,000. How much is accumulated depreciation? 0. Everyone is saying 0. My God, you guys are very confident. Is it 0? You got the 0 as well?
Yeah.
Huh?
It's 1,500.
1,500. Yeah, not 0. Yes. Yes. Why? Sorry. Yeah, same question. I'm continuing. Yeah. Doing the same question, until we finish, we see. Okay, accumulated depreciation, how much is, guys? 1,500. Everyone is okay with that? Why? Because we are showing it as at when? 30th June, okay? When did we purchase it? 1st July 24. Okay, good memory. And then I'm missing another one. Okay? So please write here, let's accumulate depreciation, write here, guys, carrying value. Okay, now tell me the carrying value, guys. 6,000, yes, correct. Sorry, 6,000? 6,500, okay. So 8,000, take away 1,500 is 6,500. Okay, how much is the shop fittings in 26? So what do we record here, guys? Shop fittings at cost. Okay, if you are confused with this one, please write that one at cost. Shop fittings at cost.
The entire top row just 8,000.
Sorry?
If the entire top row just 8,000, the only thing that changes
Yes.
is like the bottom two.
That
Yes.
doesn't make sense. The graph doesn't have a straight line.
Yeah. The graph doesn't have.
The graph, it says oh.
Oh, yeah, 8,000. Okay. Then how much is accumulated depreciation, guys? As of 30th June 26.
3,000.
3,000. Good. Carrying value?
5,000.
5,000. Right. Then, how much is the shop fittings 27?
8,000.
8,000. Good. Accumulated?
4,500.
Right. Sash, how much is the carrying value?
3,500.
Sorry?
3,500.
3,500. Good. Right. Then, Sash, tell me the shop fittings as of 28. Sorry?
8,000.
8,000. And accumulated?
6,000.
6,000. Thank you. And then carrying value is
2,000.
2,000. Yes, good. And finally, guys, still 8,000 and 7,500 and 500. Okay, now I will explain you the meaning of carrying value. Everyone understood the concept of carrying value? Yeah, now see, we have three things, yes? Right? We have three things. What is it? We have shop fittings at its cost, which is the cost or like in the purchasing price, yes? In it 4 also we are going to do this one, but we'll add more new things, right? So 8,000, and then we will subtract the accumulated depreciation, and then we have carrying value. So what is carrying value?
It's like the value of the non-current asset at that moment.
At that moment. So that basically represents, what is it? The value of the cost that is yet to be consumed or incurred in the useful life yet to come, plus something. What? Residual value. Yeah? Plus the residual value. Yes, why? Why do we say residual value? Because we can't depreciate the residual value. So basically carrying value, have a look at this one. Carrying value 6,500 is basically representing how much? Now as of this one, as of the first year, how many times have we depreciated for this asset? Only once, yes. This 1,500 is only for 1 year, right? That means how many more years we need to go? 4 years, yes. That means 1,500 times by 4, which is 6,000. Now is that the 6,000 here? No. Plus something else. What is it? 500, which is the residual. Then 6,500 is there. Now it's good. Make sense? So what is it, guys? Remember the definition I gave you? It is the value of the asset that is yet to be incurred or consumed or used, plus any residual value. Okay. Any questions? Yep, any questions? Right, now please have a look at the graph, guys. There is a problem with the graph. Right, the problem is the graph. I will explain you later. Right, now see, please everybody look at the board, not your tute, okay? Right, now have a look at this blue line. Sorry, no, not the blue one. Firstly, the red line. Right, what do you think that one is? Depreciation expense, yes, because why it is appearing here? How much? 1,500, yes, in between 1,000 and 2,000, 1,500. So over the years, guys, what is it over the years? 20, 5 here, that also actually missing. 25, this is 26, 27, 28, and so on, right? 2025, so on, right? Okay, those are the years, right? So then, regardless of the years, guys, how much is the depreciation expense?
The same.
Same. It's the same value, right? But now we'll see what is happening to the accumulated. What is happening, guys? This is 0 means 24. That is where we purchase. And when it comes to 25, which is here, right? What happens? It becomes somewhere here. Yep. 1500. Yes.
Yep.
It becomes 1500. See. Then accumulated depreciation becomes 1500. 26, 3000. 27, how much? 4500, somewhere here, or maybe there, somewhere here, right? 28, 6000, and then 29, if you drew it, it will be 7500. See, basically it is a linear graph. Yes, all of these graphs are linear. What is linear? Straight line. Yep, straight line. Right. Now, guys, the other one. See, look at this. Accumulated depreciation is ever changing, and it will stop eventually at 7500. That's it. Then the other one, carrying value. What is happening? Are going down. Right. What is the carrying value? This one, guys. 25 it is 6500. Right. Somewhere here. Right. 25. Yep. Then 27, so 26, 5000, and then 27 is 3500, no, somewhere here, right? And then 28, 2000, like that. See, that one is decreasing, and then yeah, basically that's it. So now please draw, guys, like now. See, because I have printed it in black and white. Unfortunately, you can't see. So that's what I said. There's a problem. Please draw this one here for the carrying value. Carrying value, draw a line. Otherwise, later you won't be able to figure it out. Carrying value, draw a line. Then accumulated depreciation is this one, right? And then depreciation expense is this one.
Is there a significance between intersections or
No,
no? Just
no, not for our. Hold on, that's a good question. Intersection in between the no. However, that reminds me something. Practically, yes. Practically, not these two intersections. In the future, we are going to do something called, some guys already know, those who do general maths, reduce imbalance method. Yeah. Otherwise, what is another term for that? Yeah, what do you call it? Another term? Starts with D, no? Sorry? No, diminishing balance method. Yes. Yeah, you use that term as diminishing balance. So that Punara, the basically diminishing balance method
yeah.
and the straight line method's intersection is important.
Okay.
Practically.
Okay.
Why? That is, if you are going to buy an investment property in the future, okay, and depending on when you are going to sell it, right, to get the depreciation benefit, right, to get a more depreciation benefit, you need that. Because why? Reducing balance method is still we haven't done, guys. We are doing unit 4. Reducing balance method depreciates more at its early part of the life, but eventually it is going down. So let's say you are going to sell within, let's say the intersection of the reducing balance method and the straight line method is like 10 years. Then if you are going to sell the property in 10 years, then it's better to use what? Reducing balance method. Why? You are depreciating more. As a result, you will get a more tax benefit. Okay, and then if let's say if you are going to keep your property for a long time, then straight line method is better. But don't worry, they'll calculate it for you by the quantity surveyors, right? And you have to pay them, and they'll tell you what to do. But I just told you because you asked. Okay, guys. Still you have more time to go, yes, to get an investment property. Alright? Okay. Alright, guys. Now, what else? That's it. I had to give you the note for that. But before that, shall we keep going with the theory or shall we do a question? Theory? Theory?
So question.
Question. Okay. Divided what? Huh? What do you do? Theory or question? Question.
Can we do the theory because it helps us in the question?
Okay. Yeah, anyway, I want to give you the answer for the previous question as well before we start question 2. So we'll finish this one, guys. Right. Discuss the use of estimates to calculate the depreciation. Yeah, go. Right there, guys. There are 2 estimates in the calculation of depreciation expense. Residual value and useful life. Faithful representation and verifiability state that estimates cannot be used. However, if depreciation expense is included, which is based on estimates, it would mean that there is less of a faithful representation of performance. Depreciation expense you calculate using estimates of residual value and useful life may not be correct, but it is more accurate than reporting without depreciation expense. Also, depreciation based on estimates still provides a more faithful representation than leaving out depreciation altogether. That provides the real world. Yes, what is the other words, guys? Real world Sorry?
Finance.
Yeah, real world economic events. Furthermore, relevance is more predominant than verifiability. Thus, depreciation should be reported in order to include all information that is useful for decision making. Please read it, guys. I'll explain it.
Okay, 58. Okay. That one? Okay. So now don't give the paper to the neighbor. Don't give the paper to the owner. Just keep it with you.
Okay, guys, you finished reading? Alright, does this make sense? Yeah. Now, what does it say?
No.
Now, discuss the use of estimating, calculating depreciation expense.
Don't give the paper to the
Alright.
neighbor.
Do we really have estimates in calculating depreciation? No?
So
Yes.
you have someone.
Yes? Okay. What are those? What are those estimates?
Residue then.
Residual value and
If you can see,
useful life.
he or she-
Both of them are estimated. Yes, remember? Right? Let's say if I ask you, like, you guys have phones,
55 of the-
maybe computers, right? When we purchase them, how long can we use it? Yeah, you can tell me different years, yes, but they are all, what is it? Estimate, right? And then if I ask you how much you can sell it at the end of that year, again that's also an estimation, yes? So they are not verifiable, meaning? What do you mean by verifiable?
Like you can't verify that it will be used for this long, nor can you verify how they will sell this price.
Yeah, how do we know that it is verifiable or not?
You can't check the evidence.
Sorry?
It's not evidence, source document.
Yeah.
Source document. There is no source document, yes? There is no verification, no verifiability according to accounting, yes? There is no source document. And also remember, verifiability, if you can remember, recall your memory, verifiability, remember we did that, yes? Verifiability, what did it say? Usually, we have to include, all the information that is verifiable by source document, yes? As long as it has an evidence then only we can record it. But there's a problem here, guys. Why? We are breaching the verifiability. Why? We just calculate the depreciation using some assumptions, estimates, and then we are saying, look, this is our depreciation expense. How is it correct? Is it correct? No, it is wrong according to what? The verifiability. And also, remember there's another part in the faithful representation that says, and remember he said, what are the parts in the faithful representation? What does it say first one? Faithful representation is a,
Complete.
yeah, basically we have to include all the real world economic events. Yes, our report should represent the real world economic events. What does that mean? Whatever that happens in the reality, practically, we have recorded. That's what it says, not a big deal, right? Whatever that happens, practically, and we have report, right? Then, to do that, we have to follow three things. Yeah, one he said, what is the first thing? Information should be complete. Meaning, complete means,
Everything.
yeah, complete means what? No. Complete means, remember I gave you a definition. And what is it? Complete. We have to include a minimum description and a monetary value. Dollar value. That's the complete. Second one, free from material errors. Right? Material errors. Last one, without bias. Neutral. This one, when we are going to use estimates, would it, do you think that we will basically comply with the neutrality? No, because when we say an opinion, estimate, they are basically, what is it? Subjective, yes. If I ask you how long you can use the phone, you will say okay 3 years. Or he will say 4 years. Like that, different people will say different things. Right? They are estimates. So as a result, they don't follow the neutrality. So then, one part of the faithful is also breached. However, guys, regardless, then we can say, look, we are using estimates, so that we shouldn't be doing depreciation. So then that is even more wrong.
We have a question.
Yeah. Now actually this situation is what? Dilemma. Yes. We need to do depreciation, but again we can't do depreciation. Why? They are using estimates. Yeah. What's the question?
So like when you make an estimate, right? You only make an estimate at the start, or like do you make an estimate when you purchase it, but you make an estimate the next day when you make it?
Yeah. Usually, you have to do the estimation at the beginning.
Yeah.
Right? However, Pranav, if you think that your estimation is, let's say, different halfway through the life of the asset, so you can change it. There's nothing, you can't change in the world, yes? Everything in the world gets changes. The only thing that doesn't change is the change. Change is, always there, yes? However, if you change it, but there's a problem. What's the problem? You will have to fix the previous periods as well. Why? Because you have recorded previous year's depreciation based on your first assumption. First calculation. Then you will have to fix those as well. Go back and do those. Then best thing, usually accountants wouldn't be, wouldn't like it to, change those things, and then you have to explain why you are doing it. Big problem as a result. If it is like really necessary, you can do it, but otherwise you can change it from current reporting period. But the correct thing is to go and change the other ones. And also it is not magic that we adjust the previous reporting periods.
So you just how do you change it?
Sorry, previous reporting periods reports. Yeah, how you change it, you go and change it, and then you adjust it. You basically get the adjusted report.
So,
If you're recording expense, how do you have a source document or
Yes,
something?
everything had to have source code.
So then what would it be? So would it be a memo?
70?
Yeah, for this one it will be minimum. Correct. Correct. Everything we have to have a source
Then
document.
come to here.
Right?
You can take this one as 1, you can take this one as 2.
So we'll just say depreciation
Yeah.
on the source code.
So,
Yeah. Correct.
1 plus 2, you can do these two answers.
Okay, guys. Now, yeah. So then this one. So if somebody is saying like, look, we are using estimates to calculate the depreciation, so it is so that we are not going to depreciate anymore because we are using like inaccurate estimates, right, or bias estimates, right? Then as a result, we are going to stop it. No, it's going to be more wrong. So it is actually calculating the depreciation even by using some estimates is more accurate than not doing the depreciation at all. Is it correct? Is it does that make sense? And also, guys, on the other hand, there's another thing, right? What is it? Then relevancy is coming and says, look, you have to depreciate. Why? Because we need to identify the depreciation expense because it has been incurred to generate a revenue in the business. So to calculate the profit or to calculate the profit accurately at least, we need to include the depreciation so that will be more useful in decision making. If we are going to leave out our depreciation expense, it sounds like we haven't included all the information that is useful for decision making. Depreciation expense is left out, so that definitely relevance is kind of more predominant than the requirement of the verified rate, so that we still do depreciation. Okay, guys? Right. Now, I didn't give you the answer for the part D, yes? Yeah, we'll do that one. Any questions with the estimates discussion? As I told you, this is a VC question, okay? Don't worry, guys, if you didn't understand fully, still we are going to do these ones in unit 4.
She didn't want to.
From the following number line, select the correct statement below. What that would be? P. So AB multiplied, when you multiply AB, is less than P.
Yeah.
There are 24 chapters to walk. 10 minutes, 13, 2,
That must be completely neutral.
Neutral and free from errors.
But see, I'm giving you kindergarten, but you know, half of the class for below 4. So that means even in kindergarten, also we can't do. I'm not telling you to do. And I have another one prepared already. These are my, see, I have already put it. I have another one recently did. That is the most first one. So you have So give me the triangle will be like this. So 16 here, 8 here, 12 here, X is here. So it's going to be 60 to 12, 60 to 12, 8 to 6, 8 there. So from here to center, for example, there are 24 chapters in the book. 10 to 13 now. What is the count? That's chapter 12. Is it over? Yes, 10 to 21. 20. You over? Good. Explain and simplify. So when you explain, you should write this one. In the explain, you should write this one. 9 times 6 plus 4 times 5 minus 12 square root is square root. So you have to have the skill to write in this format. If you don't have it, there is a word for work on. You are writing here. I'm not going to talk. You are going to do it. And you will be 27, 12, 27, 20, how much? 47.
Okay, guys.
What is the average compared to the median score?
Right.
For the setup? What is the average?
Let's do the question number 2, please. Sorry, you haven't done. Yeah, sure. You guys, what are you doing at school now?
Just participation.
Inventory. Still doing inventory? Okay. What do you do now at school?
What is the median? How do you
Christian, what do you do at school now?
I've been sick, so I didn't get at school.
Last week?
We came back like,
No? Last week either, no?
Just
Inventory card, yeah? What do you do, Sash, at school? Inventory, okay. All of you are at the same level. Good.
Wait, this is still new too, right?
Yes, still you need to.
Wait, so is there a sack for this?
For what?
For this, is there a sack for?
For what? I don't know. I don't think so. You mean at school, yeah?
Yeah.
I don't think so. He's asking if there's a sack for depreciation.
Depends on the final exam.
Depreciation?
Yeah.
Will it be in the final?
Yeah.
Yes.
so how come they don't teach it in school?
Sorry?
How come they don't teach it in school?
No, because still you have to go past the inventory and then you have to come,
Oh, yeah.
you have to get here.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we are kind of leading, yeah. So depreciation now by today, I don't know if I can finish it. If I can finish it today, yeah. Next week we can do. I have another one revision if you want. I prepared it. Revision on the depreciation and things that we have done so far. Otherwise,
Unit 2 content.
sorry.
Unit 2 content.
Yeah, still need to. Then otherwise, I'm planning to start budgeting next week. I already done the tube halfway through. I have complete the rest. Okay, guys, you have to revise these things. Okay, you go home, right? You have to revise. Okay, don't expect your family members to revise it. Okay, right? You have to revise. Yes, Pranav. Right? Okay, don't expect your parents and siblings to do it, yeah? Okay, please do the question number 2, guys. This is a little bit harder than what we did. Now this is what you would be expected in the exam.
The equation is the line is y equal to 8 plus 5. I don't think that you guys can see the book. Can you see the book? Huh?
What is the little 1, 2?
Yes, there are little 1, 2, 3, okay? Can you see? 1, 2, 3, right?
Yeah. Oh, labeled.
Yes, yes, yes. There it is.
The equation of the straight line is this. A new line intersects the first line, new line intersects the first line, and that. New line intersects the first line. The new line intersects the first line.
You finished writing, Aston, this one?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? Everything?
No, I have my own answer for that.
No, take down this one. Your own answer, give it.
Yeah, I remember quite a few things.
No, this is not.
Yeah,
That's not
and
it. Because it's a discussion question, okay?
Oh.
Discuss. No, this is not. Otherwise, you take a photo of that and copy it later. And the others are doing
So
question.
then the equation will be like, so how do you find theta? You going to be 1 minus 1 x plus 2. How do you find it? That's what we want to do, right? So we want to do this. So then this is 0, easy to find, right?
Yeah, next time guys, if you are taking your own answer, but when I gave you the answer, make sure that everything what you have written is compatible with mine, okay? Okay, understand?
Yep.
So for 5,000, how many? 5,000. If you go with the 8%, so 8%. This much of interest you are paying per year, right? How many years?
Hang on.
So question 1, wouldn't that, like, less accumulated impression already be in office furniture?
Yeah.
Wouldn't that already be subtracted then put in the balance sheet?
Yes.
So it's just here for an example.
You got the question?
Yeah.
What is it?
Explain what each one is.
Yes. So then you have to say what, yeah. You don't, yeah, kind of, yeah, explain.
How much interest did we pay for the keeper? Find the value of it. Find the value of it. Okay, how do you do that? You come in the given answer here and then take this one as the value.
What did you put for
Any
number?
questions from here? You know already something. You know already something. You know already something. Then one by one.
If you are not sure, please use the pencil.
Then slowly coding centimeter the diameter is behind the word more. How many days?
Sorry,
One year you want to
check here.
why are
What do you want me to check?
Some of the questions then.
What is this one?
The whole is 1 centimeter long. And the
So
diameter
this one will be 80%?
Yeah. It's
Where is
simple.
it?
And then.
Four is long, technical to four.
You have got 88 for this one means HR is usually where students get low marks. This is where you would have got more.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one like student get like higher, but you are doing
You got one.
opposite, yeah.
Yes.
But yeah, this one is not very good.
And you
Operation management is a straightforward area. Yeah, what this is area.
This is
This is practice. No, so you didn't do this. No, you didn't.
I
Yeah?
did the other one.
You didn't get the marks.
No, I didn't.
You didn't get the marks.
No, I got the mark. I think I didn't do it.
What was it?
The same.
How was it?
Yeah, same as the
So-
operations.
And
Seven,
and
eight.
equal by sign, so it will be 1 divided by 1 divided by C by 5.
How did you go yesterday?
For this is
Yeah?
that was
You happy?
yeah.
So you got what you expected?
Yeah.
So basically I focus mainly on theory and then, like here, working book.
Yeah, so do we do like the proper question?
Yes, of course. Very good. And also did you see in the end of the one I had given you many cases?
Or you give that to me, right?
Yeah, that you had picked the items.
Yeah. So do we actually write the questions then? These kind of answers.
Yes. We are doing practice. We are doing practice. That's my intention. When you have the second.
Week 8. So this is
I asked you last time, yeah? We have time. Yeah, because there is one guy who is in eligibility, they are doing like pretty quick. Maybe 2-3 seconds. And do the whole. Usually I do like 2 practice sets and then pass. And then some of them I'll give you for you to do at home.
Yeah.
Same question before. So for when recording a batch, do you write that same format?
Yes, same format.
Or do you just write office furniture but at 23,000?
Same format. This is exactly how you would report in the
The same way.
same way.
Or just copy it.
Yes, usually same way.
Unless more is added.
No, there won't be any more Punala. No, there won't be any more.
Additional.
No. What do you mean by addition?
Like there's more transactions.
Yeah, so you mean, you mean other than these ones?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, yes. Now if you have office furniture, next one we can have computers. Then, computers maybe 10,000, this accumulated depreciation 2,000, then carrying value is 8,000.
Right.
Like that we can have as many assets as possible, as many
Yeah.
current assets.
Yeah.
Where are your calculators?
I used to physics.
So, where's your one? Okay. Where's your Where's your
Long division.
Bring the calculators. Yes.
So on that balance sheet, it says the depreciation was 9,000.
Yes.
The addition was finished, it says 6,000.
Which one? Yeah, that says income statement.
Because like
So I'm kind of
That's
confused
the
which to
multiple of that.
use.
Yes. So what is this one? Now look at it. That means you haven't read the question. Read the question again before I explain.
yeah, so that would
So, this graph, look at it. There is a discontinuity, however, both will be not utilized. So, why is 1 divided by means this one and this one both. This one and this one both.
has to look at it.
Did you see? Did you get it? Okay.
More detail?
How many times did you read?
Like 3 times.
3 times? Good. Which question are you reading it for, Aston?
I'm on D right now, but now I don't know if B all the way up to
Yeah,
this
B.
point.
Yeah, B. You need to use that information for part B.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. Right now, some of you have. I don't know if the others have the same thing. Right. I want to check it. How did you guys do part B? What did you get? What is it?
I don't know, still doing it.
Okay, that's wrong. What is it? The percentage?
28.
No.
Oh, I think I know what I did.
I also got the same.
Yeah, I think I did.
You got the same?
I know what I did.
Okay. So,
We have to find the residual cost is given
So
there.
it's 6,000.
Historical cost is 32,000.
yeah, 6,000. Yes.
Yeah. But what is the use of lot? What's the lot?
You don't do it already, you're trying to find a rate of depreciation.
You can't find the annual depreciation expense first.
Yeah.
Huh?
Correct.
Is that not the annual depreciation expense?
No, it's cumulative depreciation.
Yeah, is correct. You need to pass the yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How many years is it?
Okay. Yeah, only one student got it wrong. Sorry, correct. For part B. All the others are wrong. Right? Okay, guys. Firstly, did you read the additional information? Yep. Right. Now, okay, Aston. When has this balance sheet been given?
June 1st.
June?
First.
June 1st. Yes, right. Then, yes. And then, hold on. It can't be June 1st, guys, sorry.
It doesn't have to be July.
Yeah, July, sorry. That is a typo, sorry. Should be July, sorry. July, okay? Not June. 1st July 24. Right. Now, additional information says office furniture has an estimated residual value of 2,000. Okay, that is not very important at this point. Right, we'll leave it. Next one. Income statement for the year ended 30th June 25 is showing depreciation of office furniture 6,000 using the straight line depreciation method. What does that mean, guys? What is the meaning of 6,000? Sorry?
Depreciate 6,000.
Depreciation expense is 6,000 for which period?
July 1st to June 30th.
Yes, for how long?
1 year.
1 year. Did you get the answer?
No, I'm just gonna.
Okay. How much did you
I
get?
didn't work it out.
I didn't work it. Okay.
But I think I know.
Okay. So then, guys, depreciation, annual depreciation expense is 6,000.
You want to
Yes.
say 9,000.
Yeah, 9,000 is what?
Cumulative.
Accumulated.
So that's 1.5 years.
Yes.
Where'd that half year come from then?
Yeah, maybe they purchase it halfway through the year.
Oh.
Yeah. So you guys are confused with the accumulated, yes? Yes.
Yeah, I'm
Sure.
what does it mean?
Sorry, you got the numbers mixed.
Yeah, what does it mean? I don't know.
Ah, sorry, the part A.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Ah, sorry, I didn't explain that part. Yes, I thought you got it. All right. Part A. What is it, guys? Sorry, no. Part A, number 1. You saw these numbers, yes? Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Because they are written small, right? However, as I remember this, maybe VC question, I can't remember, but long time ago. Okay, don't expect this question in the VCE. Okay, all right, right. Okay, guys. Office furniture, right? So this one, that 2,000. Number 1. What is it? Number 1.
Historical cost.
Historical cost. Did you get it? Sash? Yeah. What is number 2?
Cumulative.
Accumulated depreciation. Yes. Yeah. You have to explain it as well. Okay. What is office furniture? Meaning you can say it's the historical cost of the furniture. That means it's the cost of the. The cost that it was acquired, that it was purchased, right? Something like that. Accumulated depreciation. What is the explanation?
Total depreciation expense over the.
Yes, total depreciation expense that has been charged or that has been allocated over the life of the asset so far, right? As sweet as, as short as possible, short and sweet, right? Last one. I mean, I don't want you to write like big sentences, like simple as it. Right. What is number 3?
Carrying value.
This is the difference.
The carrying value.
Yeah, carrying value.
Carrying value. Difference between, yes?
Yeah.
What?
Office furniture and
Yeah, historical cost and the accumulated depreciation. That's it. I mean, that's not the definition though.
Yeah.
The definition is what I gave you. Yep. What is the definition, guys? What did you write, Punara, for number 3?
For number 3.
The carrying value is the.
Oh, I didn't write.
You didn't write it. Anybody who wrote it?
The amount of
Yes,
financial
Alston. Yeah, we'll give it the chance for Alston. Yeah.
Carrying value. Like going to.
Yes. What did you write for the definition? I mean the explanation.
Oh, I just wrote number 3 shows the carrying value of the office furniture.
That's it. No, you have to explain it as well. See, explain. Christian, what did you write?
I only wrote carrying value.
Yeah, you have to explain. What did you write? What did you write, Varun?
Yeah, this was carrying value.
You?
So it was the amount of the furniture is consumable.
The amount of the furniture
That is consumable.
that is consumable. No, you are missing one part.
Yeah,
To be consumed plus any
Residual value.
residual value. Because consume is what you are going to depreciate in the future plus residual value. Why? Because residual value you can't depreciate. Residual value will be depreciated by the next business. So whoever is going to purchase that one, second hand. Yes. Yep. All right. Okay, I'll give you the answers for that. Don't worry. But part B, because you guys have some issues with that 6,000. I didn't think that it was that problematic. So yeah, I wanted to confuse it. Actually, I changed this question. I can tell you. This was like easier than this one. I changed it. So okay, guys. So how do we calculate the rate of depreciation? Yeah. How do you calculate it? Annual depreciation over historical cost times by 100. Now tell me.
18.75%.
Did you calculate?
No.
No.
15.7%.
No, not 15. Yes, Aston? Sorry? No, we said the answer. What is it? How do you calculate it?
The depreciation of historical cost.
No, depreciation?
Wait, what question are you talking about?
No, it's on part B. What you asked me?
Yeah, isn't it the depreciation divided by the historical cost?
Yes. So what are the amount?
I don't know.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking to do.
18%.
Yeah, good. You got it, Varun?
Sorry?
Did you get part B?
Just if you divide those two,
How much?
if you like now is
Yeah,
18.75.
18.75%. Okay? Right. You can go ahead. Yeah? Carry on.
Can you show it to me? I thought I did.
Okay. You want me to show it? Okay, guys. So firstly, get used to write the formula. So, no, you're asking part B, yes?
Yes.
Oh, part B, yeah? Okay, yeah. She's asking part B. Depreciation rate. So, how do you do? Annual. Make sure it is annual, guys, okay? Because in the future, we might be calculating depreciation proportionately. So, it's not necessarily annual. Annual depreciation expense over historical cost times by 100. Yes, Varun, where is 100? Numerator or denominator? Numerator, okay? Right, so 6,000 divided by 32,000 times by 100. Yep. Yep. 18.75. Okay. Okay. Alright, guys. Right, 18.75%. Right. Part B is done. Part C. Anybody did it? I think I saw some people have done
Less
it.
accumulated
Yep, yep. Yep.
depreciation.
Correct. Income statement. What do you do? Less other expenses. You'll write what is it, guys? Depreciation, expense. Depreciation, expense for what is it? Office furniture. How much is it, guys? 6,000, yes. Yep. Right. Then balance sheet as at 30th June 25, guys. What do we do? Office furniture. Do it. Part D, please do it. The D you should be able to do. This is wrong. See? Okay, just don't write, guys, please, depreciation expense. Because why? We can have depreciation expense for other assets as well. We can have computer, machinery, shop fittings, right? Delivery van, yes.
Is that non-depreciable?
Machinery? Non-depreciable? You sure? What?
So the machinery.
No. See? No, this is full stop. This was a full stop. See this one? You are not the first time. I have put it first. The next one is land. Land is a non-depreciable, okay? Yeah, listen to the recording. Yeah, you guys done for party? No, office manager is not 17,000. You have to all exactly follow the same form. Yeah, that's what we did in the question, yes, example. No, accumulated depreciation is wrong. What do you do? This one.
This one.
Yeah, this is 6,000. So what do you do? That is June 25, yes? How much is this? How much is this? This is wrong. No, hold on. 15%, yeah, let's go. No, still wrong. Pura, did you do part D? No? Yeah, correct. You want me to show it? Or still you are doing?
It says 2027. That means, do we assume that the depreciation expense stays the same?
Yes. What do you think?
6,000?
Yeah, that's a good question. Is it 6,000? How do you know it's 6,000?
Because this year is 6,000.
6,000, okay. Next year is the same thing. Yeah, how do you know?
Oh, you see straight line method?
Yeah, straight line method. So, it's the same thing. Yeah?
Yeah, but like if you use a straight line method, or it'll end up, it's like if you use a straight line method, it's 6,000 depreciates every year, right? Then it'll be like 17,000, 11,000, 5,000, and it'll be half a year.
And also the other one is you can cross check. What did I say? 80. So what did I say for 80, the depreciation rate? Calculate. 18.75 times by the what?
Historical cost.
Yeah. Which is
32,000.
32K. So then times it. Then still you should get the 6,000. That's how you can cross check. Yes, that's the beauty of accounting. What is it? You can cross check. So that like mostly like in maths, yes, you can cross check, double check. Okay. All right, guys. You want me to show it? You done, Kunal? No. Okay. All right, guys. Office furniture. How much? Yes, 32,000. Yes. What is this date? Look at this. 30th June 25. Okay. When were we given the opening balance sheet? 1 year ago. 1st July 24. Okay. Right. So please write office furniture. 32,000. Yep. And then less. If you don't like writing less, actually I don't like writing less. It's because it is time consuming. What I put is like minus sign. Accumulated depreciation. How much is it, guys? Yes? 15,000. Yes. How do you get it 15,000, guys? Yes, Sash. How did you get 15,000? At the beginning you had 9,000. Yes. For that you are adding 6,000. Then it will be 15,000. Okay. That's how you get 15,000. Right? 15,000 here. Anybody who doesn't understand it? Everyone is okay with that? Good. Then we will get how much? 17,000 here. What do you call 17,000? Carrying value. Then now the balance sheet we are going to do. Next one is, guys, what is it? Not 26, 27. 2 years after. Then how much is office furniture? 32,000 still. Doesn't change. 32,000. Accumulated depreciation. Yeah, accumulated depreciation. How much, guys? 27,000. Why is that? So 15,000 plus 6,000 plus another 6,000. Yep. So then it will be 27,000, and then carrying value will be 5,000.
Can you put it in little boxes?
Sorry?
Can you do those little working out?
Yeah, of course you can do. Yeah.
So would you write the accumulated depreciation in the classified balance sheet as well?
Classified balance sheet? Yes. Of course. This is exactly the same format that you are going to record in all the balance sheet that you are going to come across in the future. Okay? Exactly VC format. Okay? Right. Now, did you guys understood this one? Understand this one? Yes? Any questions, Asta? Sash? No? You okay? Or everyone is good? Right. Then, referring to at least 2 qualitative characteristics. Part F. Where is part F? Missing. I'm sorry. Yeah, this girl has done a mess up. Sorry. Okay, please do part F here, right, guys?
from the first transaction?
Yes, basically, remind what we learned at the beginning, Ponara, about the formula and things, and then when you recall that, you'll get it. Okay, guys, you are done. Done with the. Did you get the answer? Yeah. What was it now?
5 years?
5 years. 5 years. Yes. Correct. How did you calculate it, guys?
32,000 minus 3,000.
Yes, 32,000. Very good. 32,000 minus 2,000. Yes. Divide by
6,000.
6,000. Yes. So basically,
Divided by 6,000.
6,000. Okay. Actually, what do? You divide by life. Yes. We don't know life. Can I call it x?
Yeah.
Yeah, x is equal to what? The annual depreciation. Yes, which is 6,000. Then what do?
You swap it.
You sold it for x. Yeah. What can you do? Yes. What is operation, Punara? You do
You move X to the other side.
other side.
And then move 6,000 to the other side.
Okay. Cross multiplication. Yes. Yes. So basically, you can solve for x, guys. So 6,000 x is equal to 30,000. So that means x is, what is it? 5 years. Okay. Now, not only accounting, we are doing maths also. Yes. Right. Yeah. So that one actually was not in the question initially. I added it, right? So to make it harder, not harder. Why? To ensure that I want to make sure that you guys have understood. What? Who is calling? Leave it. I mean, pick it. Let it. Yeah. Yeah, you can answer the calls, guys, right? Yeah. If they have any emergency, ask them to call me, right? Okay. However, now this one, I just wanted to make sure that you have understood the concept, right? That's why I gave it to you, right? If you have any confusions, ask me. I can explain. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Then with that, we'll finish. And thank you for coming today, and we'll see you next week sometime. Yeah?